Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable clipboard access on your Android or Samsung smartphone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile phone, and then you need to tap this settings, and then here now at your mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to find and locate the security and privacy settings, and then you need to tap. So here now at security and privacy, and again you need to scroll down, and then you need to find and locate this controls and alerts, and the next step then you need to click this settings, and here now at controls and alerts, and then you can see now this alert when a clipboard access. So get an alert when an app accesses text, images, or other content you've copied. So if you want to enable this, then you need to toggle the button to the right, or otherwise you can disable it by clicking inside the oval one time. So toggle to the right, so that it means it's already turned on or enabled, or clicking inside the oval one time to disable. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Samsung device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Android settings tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.